How to check if iPhone 16 is original or refurbished. If you've just bought an iPhone 16, whether directly from Apple or from a secondhand deal, you might be wondering if this iPhone is really brand new or if it could be refurbished. Today, I'm here to show you quick and easy ways to check if your iPhone is original or has been refurbished. First up, let's inspect the physical condition of your iPhone. A brand new iPhone should look flawless, with no scratches, dents, or any signs of wear, especially around the screws and charging port. If you notice any small marks or wear, this could indicate that the phone has been refurbished. Next, let's check the battery health. Head to your iPhone settings, tap on battery, and look for battery health. A brand new iPhone should show 100% battery health. If it's less than that, there's a chance it's been used before. And if you see a message that says the battery cannot be verified, that's a clear indication the battery was replaced. Moving on, let's take a look at the manufacture and first use dates. If these dates don't align or seem suspicious, your iPhone might not be as new as it seems. You can check this by going to Settings, then About, and scrolling to see the dates listed there. Now let's get to the model number, a useful trick for determining if an iPhone has been replaced or refurbished. Go to General, tap About, and look at the model number. Here's what the first letter tells you. If it starts with an M, it's brand new. N means it was a replacement by Apple for a faulty device. And F shows it was refurbished by an Apple-approved third party. If you see anything unusual here, consider reaching out to the seller for clarification or returning it if needed. All right, now let's use Apple's official warranty tool to check the serial number. Head over to Apple's website, enter your serial number, and you'll see warranty details and purchase dates. A brand new iPhone should display the original purchase date and warranty. If you see a replacement date, it's likely that the iPhone was refurbished or replaced. And that's it. These are easy ways to check if your iPhone 16 is original or refurbished. I hope this video helped you figure out your iPhone's status. Let me know in the comments if you found out something interesting about your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your experience. Thanks for watching.